Oh, hey guys. Didn't see you spying on me there. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas from my home and my heart to your home and your heart. I was just kind of humming and hawing over what to have for my Christmas dinner. I was just humming and hawing over what to have for my Christmas dinner. I'm humming and hawing. Do you know what that means? Humming and hawing. Well, I've got two options here. Okay, I've got some kidney beans, a can of beans, or I've got a can of sardines. Which would you choose for your Christmas dinner? What are you gonna have for your Christmas dinner? Let me know down in the comments. So I'm humming and hawing over what to have for my Christmas dinner. So, humming and hawing. Have you ever heard that idiom before in English? Well, to hum and haw means to kind of, you're thinking about it, you're trying to decide. You need to make a decision, right? And so, you're almost like you're kind of indecisive. You're being indecisive. You need to make a decision, but you're just kind of you're kind of procrastinating a little bit. You're deliberating. Do you know what the word deliberate means? If you deliberate, that means you're kind of thinking about two options. Which one you should choose, right? So I'm kind of deliberating. I'm kind of procrastinating. It kind of means that too. To procrastinate means you're waiting for something. You're not making a decision right away, right? A decisive person would just make a decision really quick. Okay, I'm gonna have beans, right? That's my Christmas dinner, right? But an indecisive person is kind of like, they very often they hum and haw, right? Well, I could have this, but I could also have this. I don't know, guys. I'm humming and hawing. Now, the word hum, when I came in here, I was humming, right? That's what it means to hum. It means to like sing with your lips closed. But the word haw, what does that mean? I don't know. Sometimes in English we have these idioms where there may be a word that you don't know what it means, right? And even the word humming in this idiom, hum and haw, I don't think it means this kind of humming, right? I mean, it might mean that. I think like to hum and haw kind of means the sounds that you make when you are trying to decide between two options, right? You go like this. You kind of like make those sounds with your mouth or your throat, or you sigh. That's what a sigh is. So I think that's where the idiom comes from, to hum and haw. It can also be said to hem and haw, hemming and hawing, or humming and hawing. I think humming is the British way, and I think the Canadian way. Hem and haw, I think, is the American way. Don't quote me on that. I say hum and haw. If you're in the US, let me know if you say hem and haw. I've never said that. I always say humming and hawing. So guys, I'm humming and hawing over what to eat for my Christmas dinner. So let me know, what would you choose down in the comments? Would you choose dark red kidney beans, or would you choose some boneless Canadian sardines? Guys, look at that, boneless Canadian sardines. Well, I'll look forward to reading your response. Maybe I should have both. I should be a little bit rebellious. After all, it's Christmas, eh? Maybe I should eat both. What do you think about that? That would be quite extravagant. But I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. Thank you for, all your support. Thank you for always watching my videos, for always liking my videos and leaving nice comments. I really appreciate that. So what are your plans this Christmas? What are you going to do? Are you going to go on a sleigh ride? Do you have sleigh rides in your country? A sleigh ride is something that kids enjoy in our Christmas culture. It's like do you know what a sleigh is? A sleigh is almost like a wagon, a big kind of except it doesn't have wheels. It has like what are those things called? Can't even remember what those are called. That it can go on the snow. Basically, that's what the purpose of a sleigh. A sleigh goes on the snow, and a sleigh is pulled by something. Pulled by maybe some animals, or it's pulled by a tractor, a farmer, and maybe the farmer has a tractor hooked up to the sleigh, or maybe some other vehicle, and it's pulling the sleigh where the kids are sitting on the back, right? So just kind of think about Santa Claus, right? Santa and his sleigh. Santa rides his sleigh, right? He's got all his presents, and the sleigh is being pulled by reindeers, right? Reindeer? Is that plural? I think the plural is just reindeer, not deers. I should know this. I'm an English teacher, right? So let me know. Have you ever had a sleigh ride before? That'd be kind of fun to go on a sleigh. It's cold here in Canada. It's been really cold weather all of November, December. It's been cold, like very cold weather. And it's not really, it hasn't let up. It hasn't let up. That means it's been constant. If let's say it's raining outside for 10 days, you could say the rain is not letting up. It's just raining. It's not letting up. That means it's not stopping. Well, for our cold weather here, we had a late winter. I would say all of October was nice weather. Then when November hit, it got really cold, and it's been pretty cold ever since November. So this is a very long cold snap. This is like a 2-month cold snap. Cold snap means a period of time where it's cold. Usually in Alberta here, we get some warm weather that kind of, breaks up the cold snaps. But hopefully in January, it'll be warmer. Let's keep our fingers crossed. That means let's hope for the best. Hope it gets warmer. Let me know, is it warm in your country? Maybe you are dreaming of a white Christmas. Are you dreaming of a white Christmas? Well, if you are, you should come to Canada here because it's white. Everything's white. It's snow, and the only way it's not going to be white is if the sun comes out, it gets warmer, and the snow melts. There's no sign of that. So guys, keep your fingers crossed for me, because it's depressing, being cooped up in your house. Can't really go on walks or leave your house. It's so cold, right? To be cooped up means like you're a chicken in a coop. You can't leave. You're almost like in a little jail, right? So I'm kind of cooped up here, and I want to go outside, but it's so cold. It's like minus 20 or minus 30 out there, guys. So wish me the best, and let me know what you are going to eat for your Christmas dinner. I'd be interested to know that. I might eat both. Might be a bit rebellious, but if I have to choose, I think I'm going to choose the sardines. So guys, with that, I just wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas. Just make a short video to say Merry Christmas to you, and even if you don't celebrate Christmas, hope you have a great day wherever you are in your tropical country. Drink a coconut for me. That's what I would be doing if I were in your country. If you live in like India or Thailand or Philippines or something like that, I would be drinking a coconut on Christmas Day. That would be my Christmas dinner. But anyway, guys, hope you have a great day. Stay safe, stay happy. Merry Christmas to you and your family, from my heart to yours and your family. Have a great day. Merry Christmas.